truth about the Kyle thing. Let me in.
Oh, it's nice to see me.
You're Lynn to see me. Madison?
Oh.
I just make the hole in it. I spit in the shower.
It's steamy.
Look at
You guys, I'm about to get in there with y'all.
Yeah, seriously, we need to take a shower.
Guys, get out. We need some long gay time.
Get out! Get out! Hey, Fad, want to get out of the shower so we can get in?
No.
Alright, we're coming in.
Give me some long time. I'm about to strip down.
Get out.
Let me have some. You're getting me off.
Get out of this. Alright, I'm coming in.
Take a bomb.
Hello.
Plug it up. Plug it up.
I'm about to...
Wait. How do I make it back?
This is a video,
Alright, close the
Madison.
door. I'll be naked.
I'm on your RW.
Uh-oh.
Close the door. We're getting naked.
Okay, go ahead. We're videoing. Oh, God.
That's it. I'm trying to make a bath.
Get out!
I don't know how to make the bath button work.
Get out of show.
It's a long time.
Alright, alone time. 5 minutes, and then you're done. I'm not even kidding. We gotta get in.
What is that? A cheese sign?
We're leaving.
What is that? What is that? It's got a cheese sign. What is that?
Okay.
That you just did? Yeah. Wow. Are you going to see now? God, you're ridiculous. You know boxers. I'm going to do about this long. No, had to watch out at 10. See my, you can see the wiener, the imprint of my wiener. Imprint. Bah! Welcome back!
Oh, God, they locked
Now I
it!
probably took a crap in the
Get
door.
out! No, seriously, stop!
Why did you lock it? Why did you lock the door?
Unlock it!
You locked it. Oh, you gotta get up? No, not yet. I'm getting Why up. Why did you lock it on yourself? You are an idiot. When you're 15, when you get older, you're supposed to get smarter.
Sorry! Unlock it!
I'm trying to. You are an idiot. I'm trying. You are an idiot. I'm trying to get out. No way. This better not be videoing. Oh crap. I'm trying to delete this video. I walked right up to it. See the imprint. What? Stop, you're gonna break the door again. You're gonna break another door.
They look so funny.
Butt naked right now.
Are you really? I'm freaking out. I got a little angry. Can I see your butt? Oh, you have boxers on, you liar.
I need a dry spot. I need a dryer.
It's on the wind, Madison.
What? Oh.
Can you give us some serious alone time?
No.
Why?
Alright, really, we gotta take a
Hey,
shower.
Becky, go give me that brown towel off the bed, and I'll get out. Brown towel off the bed right there.
Okay, well,
Brown towel.
you're gonna get to see me naked.